I put you in third place. Well done, Ben. Thank you very much. And finally, we've got Leon Travis. Go on, Leon. Up you come, mate. How old are you? 8. And where are you from? England. Very good. Leon from England. Sit yourself down, mate. Go on now. Connor Smith, 157.67 to beat. Just you focus on the track, see what you can do. Wiped out one of the opposition pretty neatly. I think he's come back at you. Oh, that's better, Leon. You're getting the hang of this, mate. Go on, this could be a good lap. Well, mate, that's got rid of Christophe Pourcel. Come on, next target. This is looking like a good lap. We could have a promising lap here. The real target is 1 minute 50 to crack that 1 minute 50 bogey time. Oh, go on, mate. You're going well. 1 minute 19, 1 minute 20. Keep going. Get over there! That catches so many people out. 1 minute 30. Oh, obliteration. Go on, get back on board fast as you can. Minute 49, 1 minute 51, this is going to be a close one. Big wall, keep her on board. 1 minute 57.15. God, you got it by about a half second. 1 minute 57.15. Despite the dramas at the end there, Leon just clung on to win it from Connor Smith. Well done, mate. Thank you. Well done.